Shit!
Who was the clever bastard that decided to take off the wet wheel? All they seem to be doing is putting petrol into this fucking thing.
Welcome back. We're on day 4 and we're heading from Saint Etienne to Marseille. So 4 days taking us to the bottom of France, and obviously again we're hitting the motorways. Here's what it looks like, obviously a bit more zoomed in. So as you can see, we leave Saint Etienne. We spend our time on the A7 heading down near Avignon, and obviously arriving into Marseille. As you'll see, the weather's a bit fun. We have some laughs again on the trip. So let's get into it. Let's hit the road and we'll join you on the journey. Thanks for watching.
Back a minute, Tom.
No worries. It's warm.
Yeah. Right. I'm not sure what way this is bringing us.
Where's she going? She want to drive in on top of me, eh?
Yeah, do they not know to drive on the fucking right?
You're busy enough there. Spot. It's Robert.
Look at that map. What way would you go?
Up the hill, sorry.
Yeah, left up here. Oh, this is where we were last night, Tom. It's 23 degrees though.
Yeah.
That's nothing, isn't it?
It's been warming up for us, but then it's just a different.
This is why. Because they're 23 degrees here, but it doesn't look like it, and it doesn't really... Unless you stand still for a few minutes, you don't really feel it, do you?
No.
All they seem to be doing is putting petrol into this fucking thing.
It does feed a wee bit like that, doesn't it? Thirsty.
I fill up with your man across from the lid, and he's one of them card pumps. And you put into it what you want, 50, 60, 70 or whatever. Jaguar will take 70 to fill it. Did do it one afternoon, telling me there's only 60 kilometres in the tank, close 70 into it. I had to rock the car to get the last £3 into it, because I wasn't leaving it in the fucking pump. Your man came out and says, if you don't fucking take it, it'll still charge you. Clear enough around behind the back of the car, and I was bouncing up and down on the boot to try and shift the petrol in the tank. And I managed to get the £3 into it.
See, I did more miles than he yesterday.
Well, you did, at high speed, yeah.
I was more thinking about me than driving around the town.
Oh, yeah. Try not to do that later on, Tom. If we were to go non-stop for the next 3 hours, we'd be there at 12 o'clock.
Sure, we'd be there around, let's say, lunchtime anyway, so...
Yeah.
Like 2 o'clock or whatever.
It'd be great. We'd be able to have a fucking look about, get an old swim in.
I've Mercedes WR for move out of the way. I'm going to push you off the road as well.
I just didn't want to get beside the fucking lorry. I just pulled in there to get a bit of footage of that river, that's all.
It must be very close to the Swiss border, because we've seen a lot more of Swiss yokes. Or are we? No. That's the way we know.
We could, from where we are, you could drive straight across into Switzerland now.
We only a couple of hours probably, yeah.
Yeah, I'd say we'd be in Switzerland in an hour from here.
Yeah.
Maybe 2, yeah. We're going down on further.
+3, isn't it?
It is, yeah. The lads on the BMWs are fucking sound.
But this is it. It's the fingers, isn't it?
Huh?
He's giving us the fingers.
Just sit here now and block the 2 lanes. Fuck them.
Yeah.
This place I had punched in was Life of Provence, and it's in 100 kilometres, right?
Right.
But the sign back there says Marseille is 100 kilometres. Would it be better push on to Marseille and just stay on the outskirts of it somewhere?
One, I don't mind. Look it.
It'll bring us a little bit closer to Monaco in the morning. Now, I know we've no sticker, but if we stay in the outskirts, we should be alright.
No, look at it.
Want to try this one?
Yeah, I should fucking get it done. change my advisor again. In and out. Shit! I'm after getting a speed camera. Fuck!
What?
Speed camera.
You what?
I hit the speed camera. It flashed. Speed camera.
Fuck! Flash the two of us.
I don't know, flash me. Well, I seen it flash as I was coming by, but I was doing near 90. I was doing 90 miles an hour. Oh, look, it'd be grand.
Fuck it, I was doing 120. Bollocks.
You're probably alright.
Fuck's sake. That's the only camera I've seen since we got on the motorway.
There's your mountains on your right. I love a bit of rain, I do. Love a bit
Yeah,
of
me
rain.
too. Nothing fucking like it.
Yeah.
Especially when the rain is spitting up into your helmet for some fucking strange reason. Bouncing off my tail bag, or my tank bag straight up into my fucking mouth.
Fuck's sake.
Can't imagine if we pulled in anywhere that we'll be using the fucking pool this evening.
No. Oh, look, it could easy change, couldn't it? You know,
Yeah,
look at the last day, like,
It looks a bit brighter ahead. 28 degrees, that's fucking
I can
beautiful.
feel it, can't you?
Yeah, and you know what? It feels hot. It doesn't feel like the 28 degrees we had the other day.
Yeah.
This is fucking Mediterranean hot. Yoo-hoo! And that's beautiful. Look at that sun now.
Yeah.
That's what it's all about, yeah. To go. That's beautiful scenery, isn't it?
Yeah, it's nice.
I love them tall pointy trees.
They must trim them like that. They must have a yoke for trimming them.
There's the Mediterranean.
Yeah,
there,
no, I'll look at that out to your right. Fucking beautiful.
yeah.
It's probably no way down to Marseille. Huh?
Way to Marseille. Fuck me. I honestly didn't think we'd make it down here now, so I've been honest with you.
Ah, look, we had to change the plan.
I was just going on the trip we did the last time.
Yeah, she was
You know,
different.
today's only Wednesday. We're going to be on the road 4 days and we're after making it down to the south of France. That's fucking brilliant. Oh, lovely. I love a tunnel.
Camera on for a bit. A few more drops.
Yeah. Oh, look, we'll try and beat it. 60 kilometres to go, Tom. Would say we just fucking nail it.
Ah, just, yeah, fuck it. Ah, that's fun. Nice fun. Bit heavier this time.
Yeah.
Oh, hello, Marseille in the rain.
Marseille, me hole. That's all we need now, isn't it? Ah, fuck off, rain, will you?
Rain off. Hey, Cardo, rain off.
Mercedes up me hole here.
You need rain.
Like that road surface there. You see the way the water's just sitting on it?
Yeah.
We had a bad experience in fucking... Was it coming into Orleans? That happened with the...
Yeah. Ah, bollocks.
Jesus Christ! It's fucking running down me nipples! For fuck's sake!
Just be careful of the road.
Be careful with that. Oh my god, I'm fucking dressed. The mesh is so good for this. Oh, for fuck's sake. And we still have 20 minutes to go. For fuck's sake, come on. But look, at least the underwear's getting a wash.
For the air of them. Look.
Oh my Jesus. That's running down my belly now. Fucking hell, it's freezing. Who was the clever bastards that decided to take off the wet gear? We couldn't have rode with that wet gear on all that length of time. We would have been melted.
But particularly coming up the hill, you would be like, Jesus Christ.
Yeah, when it was 33 degrees there, Tom, sure, you would, you'd be sweating buckets within inside now. And some our gloves are drenched now as well.
Yeah. It's fucking dark in here.
That's actually nice there. Jesus, I'm fucking drenched right through. You're probably soaked as well, Tom, are you?
Yeah, look. The gloves anywhere are, and then the fucking. Yeah, the rest of me as well. Look at. Ah, it is what it is. Look at what area there.
Yeah. Like that. If you leave the stuff out, it'll probably be dry by the time we come back later on.
Oh, well, yeah.
I think we're going to be turning up the top here when we get in behind that little Clio. And sat-nav is odd. 3 lanes here, and it tells you to go into one on the... Sorry about that, Tom. Just hard to see. Now, and why don't you run out in front of me, you fucking idiot? Are you recording?
Yep.
Oh, very sorry about that, Mr. Frenchman. You fucking idiot running out in front of me.
The fucking walls are running down the street. Jesus. Fucking car wheeled in, blew the boys over, standing in the push door.
I did not.
Your man's going mad.
Oh, the bastard. This here is doing it as well. Look at me, guy doing it for purpose. Look, he's doing it on purpose. Oh, what a whack shot. Oh, she giving out fuck. It's a fella getting a lesson as well by the looks of it.
The man's probably like, you need to go in closer to the fucking car.
This is what happens when you flash someone. Demonstration.
Who thinks of? No, they're in the rain.
Yeah, the speed bump wasn't a good idea.
Because I think they're kind of those plastic ones or rubbery ones, so.
I was trying to go round it, the wheel just caught in front of it there, and she did a little bit of a slid. Marseill, like, oh yeah, it was lovely, yeah. Better, like, oh yeah, it was great, yeah. Swimming pool. You had a swimming pool? No, the whole place was a swimming pool.
Yeah.
The fuck beeping after what?
Beeping at every car on the road.
Disinfectant up here. Not a good sign when they have to wash the streets with disinfectant. Oh! I'm busy watching the sat nav and not watching the lights. Now the wheels staying off the polo.
Bad job when a 4-wheel drive polo's looking for grip.
Sorry, I know this is slow going, but I just don't want to drop the bike.
I don't want to get it up now either. So they're alright.
Oh Jesus, where did we book? Where did I book us?
Yes, it's pissing rain in Marseille. Day 4 done and dusted, so let's get into the course. Saint Etienne to Marseille. Distance travel today 338 kilometers. Fuel cost a bit less obviously than the prior day, so €36.59. 21 litres, roughly averaging 176 a litre. Obviously motorway fuel's a bit more expensive, so again that's the average. Food during the day, €24.25. Tolls or peage, €16.90. And then we stayed in a chambre d'hôte in Marseille, just outside the city, and had evening meals there and the breakfast. So total cost of the stay, the food, all that, €137. So a bit more expensive obviously in Marseille than other locations. Total cost day 4, €214.70. Total cost of the trip so far, €562.19. Total distance covered so far, 1,326 kilometers. We're now heading into day 5 as we head from Marseille to San Remo in Italia. We're going to hit via Monaco, So hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.